After 30 years as a mechanic, I've seen every tool in the book. Some tools are a waste of money, but some tools are absolute lifesavers. Today I'll show you 10 tools every car owner needs in 2025. From beginner basics to pro-level game changers. Tool number 1, a tire pressure gauge. It keeps you safe, improves gas mileage, and extends tire life. Every driver should own one. Tool number 2, a basic socket set. This is the foundation of all DIY car repairs. If you only buy one kit, make it a good socket set. Tool number 3, a floor jack and jack stands. Never crawl under a car with just the factory jack. Use jack stands for safe lifting every time. Tool number 4, a torque wrench. It prevents strip bolts and loose wheels. Tighten parts to the correct specs, no guessing. Tool number 5, an oil filter wrench. It makes oil changes at home fast and easy. Save money and do it right yourself. Tool number 6, a multimeter. Electrical problems scare most people. A simple multimeter helps you test batteries, fuses, and wiring. Tool number 7, an OBD2 scanner. Plug it into your car and read trouble codes instantly. Know what's wrong before paying a mechanic. Tool number 8, a magnetic parts tray. Drop a bolt? It's gone forever. This tray keeps nuts and bolts where they belong. Tool number 9, a good work light. Cars don't only break in daylight. See clearly at night or in dark engine bays. Tool number 10, a battery charger or jump starter. Dead battery? No problem. These tools get you back on the road without calling a tow truck. These 10 tools will save you money, time, and stress. I've used them for decades and wouldn't own a car without them. Comment below, what's the one tool you can't live without? Hit like if this list helped you. And subscribe for weekly DIY car repair and mechanic tips. Next up, how to actually use these tools step by step.